Hey friends, this weekend I'm out here dispersed camping with Misha, my German Shepherd, and my A-frame trailer. We'll do some hiking, check out some new areas for deer hunting, and just enjoy some quiet time. This spot is tucked off a forest road, not marked but legal to camp on. This is in the Sierra National Forest. I love places like this. No crowds, just us and nature. Misha already approves. When I go hiking, even just for short distances, I always take a backpack with me, some water, some food, an extra power supply for the phone battery. There are way too many people getting lost and not ever returning, and I don't want to be one of those, so I always want to be prepared. Okay, let's go. These here are the prints of a black bear that was here some time ago when it was muddy, and you could see how he was walking on this dirt road and he slid in the mud, and then that mud just got hardened and it's still there. So it's really cool to see. It's always so easy to spot a bear paw because it looks very human-like, very round toes, and you can often see the claws as well. This area here is a really great deer hunting spot. For one, there's water, and this here doesn't look very pretty because this area was burned down in the creek fire 5 years ago, but it's actually very good for deer hunting, especially during archery season, because you could see very far, but there are lots of bushes and all this vegetation for the deer to eat. And as you could see, the deer have been here already. They're walking on these roads and all over the place. So this was really cool to see. Usually where there are bears, there are also deer. They tend to live in the same area a lot of times. So I think I might come back here to hunt. There's actually some cell phone service, so I can finally get one of those trail cams that use cell phone signals, and I could check them from home. I don't have to come up each time to check it. So this is a really cool place. One of the best parts of camping for me is the company of my dog Misha. She keeps me entertained. I feel like I'm not alone. I actually have someone with me. I can talk to her. You know, I don't feel alone at all, and I feel safe. If there's something going on, she will be alert. I don't have to worry about anything. I've been camping alone for almost 10 years now, and people often say like, oh my gosh, you're so brave for doing it alone, and I don't feel like there's much bravery to it at all. I never had any problems. My dog was always there with me, and I think if anybody tried to mess with me or kind of had that in their mind, they would take a look at the German Shepherd and feel like, okay, let's not do that. So that never happened. I don't think it would have, but it's good to have that safety measure, and it's just so much fun. You're never alone when you're with your dog. So this is my trailer. I love it so much. I even gave her a name. Her name is Annie. And this is like a mini home on wheels. You could totally live in this. I mean, not too many people can fit, but 1-2 people, maybe 2 with a child, a small young child could work, but just me and Misha, it is absolutely perfect. I did put a lot of work into it, some of it myself, and for some I paid someone to do it. This is the only model that actually has a larger fridge with a freezer, so you could make ice in the summer or put ice cream in it, so it's great. And this bathroom I have changed up because this had walls, which I really liked in the beginning, but it was just too much of a hassle, so I just added a shower curtain and it works great. And this is just so nice. I am going to make a video about it to give you all the details and information. I have made one already before, but since then I have actually changed things and added some things, so stay tuned for that video. We are going on another hike, and this one will be kind of short as well, but I want Misha to wear her backpack. In the summer, I always have her wear it, and she carries her own water and a little bowl, so this way I don't have to carry it myself. And dogs like her, German Shepherds and those from working lines, they actually like doing things like this. Definitely putting up a trail cam here. There are lots of deer trails and the cell signal is really strong, so this will be the perfect spot. Before we head home, I'm cleaning up around the campsite. I hate when people leave trash. I mean, metal cans and plastic cups. I don't know why they do that. The general rule is leave the campsite in better condition than you found it in. So that's what we're doing here. It's time to pack up and head home. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed this adventure, give it a like, and we will see you on the next trip. Until then, stay wild. There you go, my little baby. To go home. Let's go home, baby.